Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a very easy, quick, instant recipe that is bread pizza, which is loved by all the kids. So just before getting started to the recipe, today there's a surprise for my friends who have tried my recipes and shared their pictures to me. So as I told you in my previous videos to try and share your pictures, and I'll show it. So today I'm going to show some of the pictures of my friends who have tried it and shared the pictures to me. The first picture is of Akshata Ramesh Minajki. She is from Bangalore and she had tried the vegetable dum biryani and she said it was like very good and very delicious. And the second one is Rajni Chaudhary. She's from Pune. She tried the chicken dum biryani which turned out very well and her kids and husband loved it. And third one is Nausheen Khalitattar. She is from Belgaum and she also had tried the chicken dum biryani which turned out very well and all her house members loved it. So let's see the pictures. the bread pizza recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. For those friends especially who have not subscribed me, please subscribe me and do try my recipes and share your pictures like my friends did, and I will share it in my videos. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.